Get him, boy. Get him, boy.
I'm winning. He's losing.
That's right.
The youngest member of the OFC right here.
Yeah.
Catching all the fish today.
He's got 6, I think. 7, maybe.
It's a nice sized fish he's pulling in right here. He's gonna pull it up on shore all by himself.
Yep, pop it up.
Pull it
Bounce
up.
him on.
Come on.
Bounce him up. Bounce him on shore. No, quit reeling. Bounce him. Pull up with your fishing pole. Oh, you're stuck in the grass. Hold it. Hold on.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Look out, look out. Go this way. Now bounce him up. Bounce him on the shore. No, not like that. There you go. Now drop him. Oh, bam, right there.
Good job, Matty Matt.
Good boy. Hold on. Hold on. There's still a hook in his mouth.
Did he swallow the hook?
I don't know.
Probably.
Yep, probably. They usually do.
Even if he didn't, we're keeping him.
Huh?
But even if he didn't, we're keeping him. Taking him home for David.
We're going to catch a lot of fish. Now we should get some hot chocolate and warm up.
Yep, that ain't coming out.
Huh?
You snap the line.
He's making out with the fish.
Yeah, totally.
Wait, I want to in the circle.
Here. Take your fish over there.
Just grabs him. He's not flopping around.
That's cool, Arthur.
I got him. Here's the next fish.
Was this an awesome day?
Way rather smell like pipes.
Maybe that's on them today, Dad.
Homemade stringer. Wilderness style.
Maybe
What did
his
you say?
grandma.
Wilderness style.
Maybe his grandma.
Sinuous Indian style.
Maybe his grandma makes soup out of them, Dad. Is that what you said?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Maybe she'll make soup out of them for someone to eat. Whoa, now look all this water I'm making. Don't we have some hot chocolate?
Yeah, we're gonna go get hot chocolate right now.
Where is hot chocolate?
On the way back.
It's down the hill.
Maddie, you gonna carry your stringer? Carry it down.
Got
by
it?
the-
Yeah, you bet I am.
Oh, dude.
Hey, that's for what? That